I first bought my laptop, I didn't know what all of these buttons and ports were used for. But here's what I found out. The power button is used to power the laptop on and off. The CD or DVD drive is used to install software or play your favorite CDs. Out of all of the ports, you'll probably find yourself using the USB ports the most. They're useful for things like connecting a printer, scanner, MP3 player, or webcam. Most laptops come with at least two. The modem port works with your telephone line. It can be used to connect the computer to the internet. The Ethernet port looks a lot like the modem or the telephone port, but it's a little bigger. This port is used for networking and also connecting to the internet. This port is used to connect an external monitor. So why would we want to do that if we have a built-in screen? Well, some people like to have the option of turning their laptop into a desktop by connecting external parts such as a monitor, keyboard, and mouse. These small holes are the audio in and out ports. They're used to connect headphones and speakers for audio use. This is a power cord connector. It's where you connect your AC power adapter. Now that I know what all of the buttons and ports are used for, I use the ones I need and the others are available when I need them.